There is also confirmation of a misdelivery of ballots. Compostela at Baguio City. Compostela is in the south, in Mindanao. Baguio City is in the north. There is no way that we can bring Compostela ballots to Baguio City within the day. There is no way that we can exchange it. But this involves only one particular precinct. Therefore, it should not affect the elections both in Compostela and in Baguio. It should not affect, unless the votes in Baguio or in Compostela is so close that one particular precinct will adversely affect the results, in which case there will be a special election, either in Compostela or in Baguio. So, overall assessment as of today, as of this time, okay lang po ang dating ng aming mga peoples. Wala hong problema ang medyo. Failure of election, there is no such thing as failure of election, not until the voting is finished. Wala naman nagfe-failure of election except pagka hindi dumating yung mga paraphernalia. Wala ho kaming report ng gano'n.
So, paano yung Compostela?
Compostela is only one precinct.
Yes, sir. But in those cases, Baguio and Compostela na hindi dumating yung paraphernalia, paano yun?
Hindi nga, sabi ko nga, hindi maapektuhan. It would depend actually in the final results in Compostela.
Yes, but paano yung boto ng mga...
Hindi na sila makakaboto.
So, hindi na sila maboto, sir?
Hindi na sila makakaboto because it will not affect the results anymore.
Wala na pong special election, sir?
Wala na special election naman.
Hindi naman disenfranchise na sila.
Effectively, nag-disenfranchise sila, but their votes will no longer matter. Hindi ko pa na-check. If their votes will matter, then there will be a failure of elections and there will be special elections.
Sir, hindi ba may legal problem doon? Na may hindi makakabot ng mga tao?
Wala hong legal problem. Kasi basta pabutuhin na natin, kakasusan pa natin, hindi naman magbabago ang resulta. Why will we spend so much just to allow them to vote when their votes will no longer affect the results? Hindi ko pa nakukuha ang detalya. This is most probably mislabeling doon sa packaging sa vacuum pack.
Someone would be accountable for it.
Yeah, somebody has to be accountable for it. Our forwarders.
Sir, yung pong lahat ng areas na sa nagka-problem sa PICO, lahat ng presintong yun, mag-i-extend ba kayo ng botohan o you end at 7?
Walang mag-extend ng botohan.
Chairman, more or less ilan po ang mga boto sa dalawang lugar na yun?
Saan dalawang lugar na yun?
Baguio at sa...
Hindi ko pa alam.
Sir, hindi ba siya nag-set ng parang hindi magandang message na hindi niya pinapahalagahan mo?
Chairman, dagdag ko lang doon sa tanong.
Pahalagahan ho natin yung boto, pero kung gagastos naman tayo ng 5 milyon para na mag-special election sa dalawang presinto na hindi naman magbabagong resulta, mas gusto niyo bang gumastos pa tayo ng 5 milyon?
Chairman, may mga...
Na wala namang, hindi naman maapektuhan ang boto.
Chairman, may mga magre-raise na human rights issue yun dahil is there human right to vote?
E di pumunta sila sa UN.